Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make an image to halftone using Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea. Okay. After starting Photopea, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop the image into Photopea to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from feedback.com. We can find the download link in this video description. After open the image in Photopea, we can go to Layers, and I go to background image layer, right click, and we can choose Convert to Smart Objects. Okay. Next, we can go to Image and Adjustments. We can pick Posterize. Okay. And then we can adjust the levels of Posterize. For example, I will use 2 and press OK to apply it. Next, we can go to Filter and go to Posterize, and we can choose Color Halftone. Okay, so I push the window to here. We can make fine adjustment for the color halftone. For example, if we change the radius to 4, we can make the circles smaller. If we want the circle bigger, we can change to larger value. For example, I will use 16. Now I go back to 8. And also we can change the angle of halftone. For example, I change to 0 to angle 1 and 0 to angle 2, and goes up to it. We can see the halftone effects here. Now I go back to presets, so we can make different effects by adjusting the values here. I press OK to apply it. Actually, we can make fine adjustment by using the Posterize. Okay. And we can adjust the levels here. We can change to 3 and 4. So we got different halftone effects. So this is how we can make an image halftone in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.